at your birthday, New Year and Christmas. 2024 year is came. I also have some wishes. I'll talk about my 2 wishes. First of all, I want to have a cute dog. It is because dog is my favorite animal. Dog is very cute. I have a sister. She studied very hard, so she doesn't have time to play with me. So I'm lonely. If I have a dog, I can play with her or him. Also, if I have dog, I'll go to park for picnic and exercise with my pet so I can maintain the health, and I will feel very proud at seeing my happy pet. And my dog will be my friend. I'll always be happy because of my pet. I watched some videos how to raise the dog, so I have bravery to have dog. Secondly, I want to buy the series of my favorite comic book. The reason of buying my favorite comic book is if I read the comic book, I feel happy and fun. So I want to read more series. Also, the name of book is Math Thief, so I can study math too. I can't expect the next story of book, and I think reading comic book is better than watching YouTube. In conclusion, my 2 wishes is having a cute dog because I can reduce my stress by playing with my dog, and my pet can be my friend. Also, I want to buy a comic book. It is my favorite. I can feel fun and I can study math too. If you like my presentation, please subscribe me.